In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Amazon order history. Now, while Amazon doesn't actually allow you to completely delete your order history, there is a handy feature that lets you archive or hide orders, and I'll walk you through how to do just that. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to Amazon.com. Make sure you log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, you'll find the login button in the top right corner of the page. Simply click on it and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought back to the home page where the real process begins. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right of the screen once more. There, you'll see an option labeled Returns and Orders. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where Amazon keeps a record of all your past purchases, neatly categorized for you. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Amazon doesn't offer a delete option for these order histories, but don't worry. We can still organize things to your liking. Now, within this Orders section, you'll see a list of all the purchases you've made with Amazon. If there's a particular order that you no longer want easily visible, what you can do is archive it. Archiving an order effectively hides it from your usual list, tidying things up and making your visible order history much less cluttered. To archive an order first, identify the purchases you wish to modify. Next to each order, you'll find a button that says Archive Order. Click on this button for any orders you'd like to hide. A prompt will appear asking you if you're sure you want to archive this order. Confirm your decision by clicking Archive Order once again. With just those few clicks, your order is now archived. This means it won't appear in the normal views of your order history anymore, though you can still access it by heading to the Archived Orders section if you ever need to. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage what shows up in your Amazon order history, helping you keep things private or simply less cluttered. Remember that while archiving will hide your orders from the main view, it won't delete any data from Amazon's databases. So, if you're ever looking for a particular archived order, rest assured that it's not gone for good, just tucked away neatly elsewhere. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more comfortable managing your Amazon orders. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy archiving!